Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Top Losser Trader. Okay, today is 13th of January and in total I made a profit of 7,000 rupees, 7,150 rupees. So I took two trades, one in the morning, two in the morning. One is Bank Nifty 32,500 call and I got around 7,800 profit for that. The trade took only for around 2.5 minutes. And next was Nifty 14450 PE. Like I told in my previous video, I am trying to learn the concept of option writing. So I soon after ending this Bank Nifty trade, I entered this trade, but ended up in hitting my stop loss. So that means something is wrong in my concept. So I have to learn on that. Okay, so in the coming days, I will review that and make sure that my setups are correct for the option writing. Okay, so going back to the order page, you can see this trade, the Bank Nifty trade, which I took in the morning 9:35 and ended at 9:37 and 45 seconds. Okay, close to 2.5 minutes, and as you can see, I ended at 292 price and Excel at 323. Okay, so let's move to the chart. Okay, so before going on to the concept why I took the trade, I have to show you something else. Okay, I am going to the weekly time frame first. Okay, so as you know, Bank Nifty was very close to the high which it made around few months back. After that, coronavirus was hit, the pandemic was hit, and the price has dropped down and Bank Nifty collapsed. So this is the area where the Bank Nifty was trading in December to March, and from this area it started to collapse. Okay, and from the March only it started to grow up. So as you can see, the price has reached the all-time high for Bank Nifty here. I can zoom it for you for a better view. Okay, so last time, as you can see on my chart, the last time the price touched for around 3613. Okay, so today morning we expected to hit this price. It may go up or it may go down. It may take it as a reversal and go down for some days and go up, or it can go up like anything. Okay, that was the expectation. Okay, so as you can see, today's, if I check, okay, if I move to the smaller time frame, just hold on. Okay, so if I move to a small time frame, you can see the market went up. Okay, so what was the previous high? In 30 December 2019, the high was 32,613. Okay, that was top Nifty Bank made. So 32,613. Okay, the market opened at 32,544. Later it went down for some correction and respected that opening level, went down again and went up to hit where? Went up to create a top price, the highest which Bank Nifty has ever made. Okay, so after touching this point, I told you in the previously that there is a chance that price will go up or it may go down. Okay, that's the concept. But what happened is that the price went high and it started to decline. As you can see, the price went up and it started to decline. The price went up till this level and now it's trading around this area, and you can see that. Okay, so let's see how we took the trade. Okay, so as I told in my order page, I took the trade at 9:35 and ended at 9:37 45 seconds. That is around 2.5 minutes. and I took that quantity I took was for 250 shares. As you might be knowing from my previous videos, I am basically a scalper. I enter the trade very quickly and I exit it very quickly. Okay, that's something which I have been doing for quite some time now, and it has been giving me a good result as well. Okay, so previously I used to wait for few minutes and sometimes I get profit, sometimes I end up in losses. So I am trying this new concept of scalping for this month and it worked very well for me. Not just for this month, last month also I did it, but at the end of the month I took some risk, but I lost so much of money. So and purely concentrating on scalping this month. Anything, if I see any opportunity which I think I should hold the trade, I might keep it. But as of now, I'm mostly looking for the scalp trading. Okay, let's move on to the charts and let me explain how I took the trade. Okay, as I said, the price, there is a huge gap up here. Okay, the price closed 32,353 last day and opened at the level of 32,546. And soon after hitting that area, profit booking has been seen. That's why big red candle was formed, and at this level the price started to go up, as you can see, and till 921 the price almost touched the opening price and went down again. And there is a confusion here because we have to make sure that there is something. Whenever there is a huge gap up or gap down, we have to wait till some price action is formed, some structure is formed. Okay, we have to make sure how the price will perform. We have to identify the things which the market might do. We do not have any definite answer for everything, but we have to identify a solution of the price, how the price moves or something like that. Okay, so the price went down, went up, went down again, almost touched that level and went up. So because I'm a scalp trader, I was initially looking at this area. I wanted the price to break this. It broke, and whenever there is something like the opening price is broke, the highest opening price is broken, there you might be seeing a good rally, at least for a short period of time. And as you can see, this price was broken at this area, but I didn't take the trade because there are times that price might go down as well. So I wanted the price to correct for some time. If the price is going up, I wanted the price to go back to this level and retrace and go up. Okay, so when the price went up and at this area price started to decline for some, I was waiting for it to correct. Anyhow, it didn't come to this area. Okay, I was expecting the price to come to this area, but a green candle was showing. You can watch this candle. Okay, this is a big candle, and two other candles formed was inside of this candle. Okay, so mostly if when this happens and we expect a good green candle after that. Okay, so after seeing these two candles which formed inside this big green candle, and when I saw this green candle forming, I was still waiting if this area is broken, this the highest point where this green candle is formed, when this is broken, then we can see another short rally. Okay, so again this was broken, and you can see where I took my trade. This was broken with a good pace, and at 9:35, exactly 9:35, when this candle was formed, I took the trade. Okay, 9:35 took the trade for 250 shares, and 9:37.45, and I waited till this candle till this candle to exit my trade. So I ended at the bottom and I exited at almost close of this candle. Okay, and I got a profit of rupees 7,800 for that. 7,800, very decent profit, one must say. Very decent profit. Ended at 292, exited at 323, close to 324. Okay, so that was a good trade for me, good profit for me. So as I told in my previous video, I was checking for the possibility of option writing as well. I'm learning that. I haven't done it before. Yesterday I got a profit close to 1,000 rupees. So also tomorrow is an expiry day, Thursday, and I what I did was, like, the price Nifty was playing around 4,650, and I took a put option of 14,450, which is 200 point below this level, and I thought, like, yes, this price, I think there is a far chance that it will touch this level, and mostly the time decay is coming, and this price decay will happen because tomorrow is a if the price moves around that area slowly, or some this will be stable, and the price will at least go 10 rupees down before the market closes for the day. But I forgot one thing. Okay, because Nifty had already got the highest level in the previously, but only Bank Nifty was about to reach the highest level. Nifty has already crossed its highest level in the previous days, and there's a chance that Nifty will follow the Bank Nifty. Okay, so here what happened was, like, after touching this point, the Bank Nifty went down, and Nifty followed it. Okay, so when the price went down, it started to hit me back. Anyway, I wouldn't say it's a huge loss. I was expecting 10 rupees. I put this 10 rupees stop loss. I ordered only that. So because I got a decent profit today, so 730 loss is something which I don't have any problem with. Okay, so it started to move down. Okay, so what should I have done? Okay, that's one area which I have to more concentrate on. The market was up in the morning, that's why I took the put option writing. But at this point of time, when the Bank Nifty reversed, there is a chance that Nifty will also reverse. Okay, so there is a chance that price will go higher, and chances of hitting my stop loss was also higher. So in that case, I should have waited for some more time before entering that trade, because see this 14, or maybe I should have entered a call writing, seeing the market for a while, because that might have given me some profit. Okay, so anyway, I will be trying to learn this option writing, because I have watched so many YouTube videos, and you see, people create a steady income out of option writing. Okay, mainly during this expiry time. So I will be checking that as well. So I sold the Nifty at 2025, and exited 30 rupees. 30 was my stop loss. These are rejected trades. I tried putting the stop loss on a higher side initially, but the server didn't allow it. I think they mentioned that it should be around the 50%. The stop loss should be around the 50%. So that's why I put the 10 rupees stop loss, which I think is a good thing. Nothing much to lose. Okay, 7,000 is a good profit, and I'm very close to my 60-day challenge, and hope everything goes well. So hope you like my video, As I tell in every video, this is a new YouTube channel. Please make sure that you subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, and encourage people like me. Okay guys, that's it for the day. Thank you so much, and keep watching my videos. Please share, like my video, and keep motivating me. Please encourage me by sharing this video. Thank you. Keep chilling. Bye bye.